sold out. Yes, it's sold out in popmart store.
Aww.
Would you add these Twinkle Twinkle Plush Pendant into your collection? Unboxing. Popmart. We are Twinkle Twinkle Plush Pendant Blind Box. The designs are Little Happiness, Little Superman, Little Star, Little Cutie, Little Sun, Little Yawn. In every full tray complete set, you may stand a chance to get the secret edition. Unboxing the first blind box. These are the 6 Twinkle Twinkle Plush Pendant design. I hope to get the secret special edition design. The sides feel slightly tight, the top and bottom are spacious. It's Little Yawn. This plushie is so adorable. Twinkle Twinkle is holding a pillow. It's so cute. Check the details for authenticity. The estimated weight for this Little Yawn Twinkle Twinkle Plush Pendant Blind Box from Popmart is 93.7 grams. Unboxing the second blind box. Could this blind box be the secret special edition design? Knocking sound from the sides, top and bottom, are slightly tight. It's Little Cutie. The estimated weight for this Little Cutie Twinkle Twinkle Plush Pendant Blind Box from Popmart is 89.6 grams. Unboxing the third blind box. The base feels heavy, top and bottom are spacious, sides are tight. Could this blind box be the secret special edition design?
Ah!
It's little Superman. This snotty little Superman Twinkle Twinkle is so adorable. Letter T is on the cape. I guess it represents Twinkle Twinkle. The estimated weight for this little Superman Twinkle Twinkle Plush Pendant blind box from PopMart is 89 or 88.9 grams. Unboxing the fourth blind box. I hope to get the secret special edition design. Top and bottom are tight. The sides are spacious with knocking sound. Fun fact: the chance to get the secret special edition is in a ratio of 1 in every 72 blind boxes. It's little happiness. Little happiness is holding a star that says, "Good luck." Could this Twinkle Twinkle Plush Pendant be your lucky star? The estimated weight for this little happiness Twinkle Twinkle Plush Pendant blind box from PopMart is 86.7 grams. This is my last 2 chances to get the secret special edition design. It feels light, the top and bottom are tight, the sides has knocking sound.
Huh?
No, it's not the secret. It's little star. Little star is holding a book that says, "Okay book." His facial expression don't look okay. The estimated weight for this little star Twinkle Twinkle Plush Pendant blind box from PopMart is 84.7 grams. It's the lightest blind box. This is my last chance to get the secret special edition design. All sides are tight, top and bottom are tight too. It feels heavy. It's not a secret. It's little son.
Yeah.
Watch till the end. The secrets will be revealed shortly. This white underpants is not removable. Little son has a little cute beard. The estimated weight for this little sun, Twinkle Twinkle Plush Pendant Blind Box, from Popmart, is 95.4 grams. It's the heaviest blind box. What is the secret plush pendant? I bought this from a reseller. Interestingly, the box is sealed. Usually reseller will unbox in order to know the secret. Let's find out if this is the secret design. Oops, I forget to shake it. All sides, top and bottom are tight, but it has knocking sound. It's Goodnight Twinkle Twinkle. Isn't it adorable? Please remember to smash the like, subscribe, and activate the notification bell to be among the first to watch our video. The estimated weight for this Goodnight Secret, Twinkle Twinkle Plush Pendant Blind Box, from Popmart, is 85.8 grams. This is the secret design. Hope you get it. Good luck.